Welcome, Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm going to show you how to make a couscous salad. Very simple, easy to do, yet healthy for you. The ingredients you are going to need for this is 1 cup of couscous. I purchased this box of couscous, it's exactly 1 cup, and I cook it according to the package directions. 1/2 of a cup of your favorite dressing. It can be low fat, it can be ranch, it can be oil based, whatever you like, you may go ahead and use it. Fresh parsley for garnish. 1/2 cup of finely chopped red onion. It's absolutely sweet and delicious. 1 red bell pepper that I'm going to show you how to slice here in a little bit. 1 cup of fresh zucchini. I'm going to show you how to slice that as well. And 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cumin. Let me show you how we're going to get this together. While the couscous is cooking, I'm going to show you how I prepare my zucchini. I cut off the ends. I'm going to slice it right down into the center using a chef's knife. And then you're going to lie it over on its flat side. Slice it down again. You see there's a little bit of seed in here. I just go ahead with my knife. Be very careful when working with a knife, and I remove those seeds. You can discard this. With the flat side down, I'm going to cut it into strips. We're going to turn it this way, make finely chopped cubes. They don't have to be equal in size. You want to do this the rest of your zucchini until you get a cup. Prepare this red bell pepper. I'm just going to go ahead, slice it down, turn it flat surface down. I'm going to cut strips. You're going to turn it around and you're going to cut them in cubes. Okay, be careful with your fingers. Look how beautiful that is. That red and green, it'd be a perfect holiday couscous salad. Use that whole bell pepper. Couscous has cooked and I'm using a fork to break it up. Add this into a large mixing bowl. Look how fantastic that is. Got a little steam going on, but that's okay. Add the red diced onions, very thinly sliced, along with that zucchini and the red bell peppers. Now you can add to this whatever you wish. You can substitute yellow orange bell pepper for the red, even green for the zucchini. You can put broccoli, cauliflower, but I'm telling you, these two combinations are just a lovely flavor when you add it here to the couscous. I'm adding that cumin. Add the dressing. The dressing that I'm using is a sriracha ranch dressing, but any dressing will do. I'm just going to pour it in here. Make sure you get it all out. And we're going to give it a lovely little tossing. I've got my Cucina spoons here that I absolutely love. They got great grips on them. It's a rubber grip and you can hold it here, put your thumb here, and no matter how wet your hands are, it's not going to slip when you start tossing your couscous salad here. Get that dressing well incorporated on all of our ingredients, and this is smelling absolutely fantastic, y'all. Cover this well with plastic wrap or put it in a bowl with a cover and refrigerate this anywhere from 3 to 5 hours. That is what is going to marry all of our flavors and make this absolutely spectacular. After 5 hours of refrigeration, this is what our couscous salad looks like. Back with the parsley. Now this is optional, it's not necessary, but I like to garnish the top with a little parsley. I think it gives a lovely little presentation. I'm going to give it an informal taste. I want some zucchini, red bell pepper on there, and that couscous. The onions have been chopped so finely you can hardly see them, and that's what's going to give this a punch of flavor. Here goes. Wow. Big bite of freshness. I can taste the couscous, the red bell peppers, the zucchini. That sriracha is really coming through in that dressing. The cumin gives it a really fresh, delicious flavor. The couscous has a nuttiness about it. Hey you all, it's absolutely delicious. A perfect side dish with grilled chicken, fish, steak. Couscous salad, a perfect snack just by itself. Hope you give this a try. I'm Rhonda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up, follow me here on YouTube and Instagram, and I'll catch you lovely people later.